everyone, so let's test out this new paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and it has 4 wings. It's look pretty awesome, but not sure how far this one can fly. Just check it out for now. Ooh, wow, this is Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and I tested it out and it's worked very well. It's worked very well. So I decided to share the tutorial with you guys and hope that you will enjoy making the plane. Alright, so to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, no worry. Use A4 paper. It should work as well. Now, first step, let's fold the paper airplane horizontally. Make sure that all edges are lined up. And now, let's press the paper down. Alright. On the following step, unfold the paper airplane. Press it down again. Start from this upper side. Fold both sides of this edge to the center crease. Alright, so just do it. Perfect. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Very simple. Yes, this is what we have. Now, let's start from this up edge for straight to this line on the end of the paper. So I just fold straight down. Very simple. Yeah, what will be next? Let's start from this up edge again. For both sides of this edge to the center crease. Yes, this is how it should look like. Press it down. Make sure that you leave a little tiny gap between this edge to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Yes, this is what you should have for now. Press it down. Now I unfold the paper and open this upper layer and push this crease to match the center crease. It's maybe off a little bit, and that is what I want. Now for this edge back. Alright, repeat the same fold for the other side. You see this line? Push it down. Very simple, right? And this part of the paper, you can see this here. I pull it up. Okay, let me put it up here so you can see. Now let's open this and push it down. Yes, this is what we have. That's exactly what I want. I will adjust it a little bit because this is a little bit off here. Alright. Otherwise, I can push it a little bit further and adjust it. Okay, so this is what we have. I will turn the paper this way so I can see both sides evenly or not. If not, I can adjust this just a little bit. Right. Okay, so this is what we have. Now you can see the end of this layer. I just pull it inward like this to hold both sides of the plane together. It's almost done, everyone, so be patient. Okay, that's look perfect. You see that layer? Let's pull it up a bit. You see? Now I can fold straight from this corner. Let me move my hand so I can see it. Here, right here, I fold straight to half the edge here. You see this edge? Half of it, and half of it is about half an inch. So just adjust and fold it. Awesome. Alright, and press the paper down. Press it down, and pull it down. Same thing for this layer. Let me turn the paper this way and turn it again like this and pull this one up. And now I can fold this part of the paper toward the center to create a strong wing. So have, okay, so same thing, just fold it to the tip We'll press the paper down. Okay. Press the paper down, and now that is what we have. Let me turn the paper over, and you see it looks awesome. But if you want to adjust it a little bit more, I'll show you another way. I will flip the paper back, and I fold it even further to the end, so just a little bit more, okay, like this. It's about now a quarter of an inch. So you have two different ways to fold this part of the plans. The more you fold, the more it looks cool. But if you don't want, if you want it to fly a little bit better, you can fold it just half an inch too. So I give you two options. You can do it the way I'm doing now, or you can stop at the previous step. Alright, make sure that both sides are even. If I fold this one a little bit more, I need to fold this side a little bit more as well. Alright, this is a little bit confusing, but it's look good at this point. Let's press the paper down. Okay, now I can flip the paper over, fold the paper in half, right, and start from this tip. It's about a quarter of an inch along this side. I will fold it down straight to this corner to create the wings. So this is what we have. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright. This look really cool now. Look. Open the wings. You have 4 wings paper plans, but this is not done yet. The head of the plan is not strong enough, so I will have to enhance the head of the plan. So I will hold the paper airplane like this, and you see how I hold this part. I fold it up. I fold it up. Just a little bit. You can see that. Now after I fold this part up, I can fold both sides of this part. You see this a square. I've pushed both of the square back to the plan. And what's this next? I fold this side back. You see the tip here. Push it down. Okay. That will keep the plan all together, and it will fly very well indoor. Alright, so if you want to stylize this a little bit more at the end of the plan, you can fold it up. Same thing for the other side. The distance here is about half of an inch. Same thing. You can adjust it a little bit. Look really cool, right? Now let's take a look at the plan. Pull this one down a little bit. Pull the upper wings up a little bit. Here we go. So now we have a new awesome paper airplane. Okay, push the tip down. Alright guys, so this is a new paper airplane. It flies very well, but it may need more adjustment, or it will need more improvement. I'll just show you guys because I think this is a good time for you to make a new paper airplane and test it out by yourself. And look at this. This is safe to fly inside the house. If you throw the plane to someone, it won't hurt them much, hopefully. Okay, anyways, don't throw to people's eyes, alright? Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video.